Hey, I'm Katie with StreamYard, and today I'm going to teach you the different destinations that StreamYard can connect to. First, let's talk about YouTube. There's actually two ways to connect your StreamYard to your YouTube channel. First, you can connect your StreamYard to your YouTube channel, and then you can create a broadcast on StreamYard and then make your YouTube channel as the destination. The other way is the reverse. You create the broadcast on YouTube and then connect it back to StreamYard using our custom RTMP feature. More on that later. To connect a YouTube channel, you either need to be the owner on the channel or the manager or owner if it's a brand account. It will take 24 to 48 hours to enable live streaming on your channel, so make sure if you have a YouTube broadcast coming up, you set it up ahead of time. This is a YouTube guideline and it's something we can't bypass. After that 24 to 48 hour period is done, you'll be fine to live stream on your channel. We actually have a super helpful YouTube video, I made it myself, that shows you how to connect your YouTube channel. We can also stream to Facebook profiles, pages, and groups. Facebook recently changed how they stream scheduled events. We actually have a really helpful Help Center article on this down below. The process for connecting a page, group, or profile is relatively similar. If you go to the Destinations tab on the left side of your StreamYard dashboard, click Add a Destination, you'll see Facebook page, profile, or group. Remember, your Facebook profile is the account that you first set up when you joined Facebook. Groups and pages are a little bit different. Facebook groups are usually created around people with common interests, needs, or within the same community. They're really good for schools, different organizations, or even a neighborhood. A lot of people use Facebook groups to disseminate information, sell different items, or just connect with one another. Groups tend to be private and you can request access to join. Usually groups have admins that manage who can come in the group and who can't. Pages, on the other hand, are usually public. They're more for businesses, movies or TV shows, or public figures. Users can like a page to get updates from the page rather than joining like you would a group. Make sure you click the right option when you're trying to connect them to StreamYard, because you won't see your group if you choose a page or a page if you choose a group. To connect a group, your Facebook profile must be an admin of that group and you must be logged in to that Facebook profile. StreamYard also requests that you add StreamYard as an app to that group. To connect a page, you must either be an admin or an editor of that page. Here are great articles if you get stuck on either one. Connecting a Facebook profile is basically the same process, but Facebook recently made an update to live events. What happens is you need to make your Facebook integration public so that your streams can be public and therefore you can receive comments if you're streaming from a profile. More on that here. As for a Facebook event, it's a totally different process. You actually have to connect using a custom RTMP. Here's how to do that. And with the new Facebook update, your event doesn't automatically post on your profile by default, so here's how to make it appear on your profile. Moving on from Facebook, you can also connect your LinkedIn page or profile. Unfortunately, you can't stream to LinkedIn groups. To connect to a LinkedIn page or profile, you follow the same process. Go to Destinations, add a destination, and click either a LinkedIn page or profile. LinkedIn also opened up their requirements recently, so you only need 150 connections and/or followers to stream there. Check out more of their requirements here. You can also stream to an existing LinkedIn event. More on how to do that here. It used to be that you had to connect to Periscope to live stream on Twitter, but Twitter ended up doing away with Periscope, so now you can live stream directly on Twitter. Your stream will show up in your Twitter feed, but just so you know, Twitter doesn't support scheduled streams, nor will it send the comments to StreamYard. Here's more about connecting Twitter. Twitch is also a great place to stream to. Here's a video on how to stream to Twitch. You can also stream to Hopin. When you click on the Hopin destination, it will ask you which organization and event you want to stream to. This article shows you how to connect to stages and sessions via custom RTMP. Hopin stages and sessions are created on Hopin, not on StreamYard, and you would connect them via custom RTMP. Hopin sessions aren't available as a native destination on StreamYard now, so you would have to connect them via RTMP. Now, what is custom RTMP? Real-Time Messaging Protocol, or RTMP, is a protocol that lets you stream video and audio from an encoder to a server. In this case, StreamYard acts as the encoder and your destination acts as the server. Any destination that is RTMP enabled, StreamYard can stream to it. So Wix, Vimeo, Rumble, or even your own website if you have a plugin downloaded. Here is more about RTMP streaming, and here is how you use it with StreamYard. Right now, we don't have the ability to stream to Instagram or TikTok. Once both of these sites allow us to do it, we'll add both as a destination. And our new feature and destination on air is the perfect way to host a webinar directly on StreamYard. This is available on our professional plan and higher. To create an on-air webinar, click Create and click on the third option. Once set up, the link you will send to your audience to come join you will actually be a StreamYard link. You can also multi-stream to other destinations. Now that we've covered all of the destinations, check out these other videos for other helpful tips and tricks for getting started with StreamYard. Happy streaming!